Hey guys, let's talk about the Kasa Spot Pan and Tilt reset, right? So you can reset your camera and start over. Here I have the Kasa app, so I can set up the camera again. So it's pretty simple. You just need to use the reset button just right here. So if you don't see it, you just need to move this a little bit up. And there you go, you're gonna find the reset button. You need to use a pen or your fingernails to reset it. So basically I'm gonna use a pen here. So you see that I just need to press and hold this button and take a look at the LED, right? So when I press here and hold, you see that I hear a sound that I'm pressing, like a click, and then you see the LED start flashing there, okay? Flashing right now, and you can see that flashing orange and green. Now the camera is in setup mode, so I just need to come here to the Kasa app and start the setup all over again. Basically here on the Kasa app I already have my account, so if you need to log in to your account, and then I'm gonna have the app and you can add a new device. So I just come here to the plus signal, tap on it, and then I tap on device. Here I select cameras and choose my camera. In this case is the Kasa Spot Pan and Tilt. I tap on it and here I see that's already connected here to the power supply. So basically I have the power supply connected to the camera is working and ready to set up, right? So it's flashing orange and green. So I just hit next here and I confirm that it's orange and green. And now the camera needs to connect to the cell phone. Basically the cell phone is gonna find the camera's Wi-Fi signal. So I need to come here to the Wi-Fi and select the Wi-Fi that the camera has, right? So Kasa Cam, as you can see, just right here. So I connect to this signal because the cell phone is gonna give the camera the information to connect to the router, right? So at first I connect to the camera, then I come back to the app, just tap here. You see that I'm already connected. And now it's connected to the camera. Okay, so I'll just need to wait for a while. There we go. And then you have the option to reset the device or do not reset. This is up to you. In this case, I'm going to reset the device. And then I start over and I need to choose a network so the camera can have the information with Wi-Fi to connect to, right? In this case, I have my Wi-Fi here. Just tap on it and I insert the password. So double check that I have the correct password for your Wi-Fi network. And remember that you need to use a 2.4 gigahertz network for this camera. Your router already has the signal 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz. When you connect to your router, the camera connects to the router is going to give the correct one, right? Don't worry with this, right? It's going to connect correctly. As long as you have the passwords here, just hit join. And now it's connecting, all right? So the camera is going to connect to the router with the correct password if you have it, if you have entered here, and you're good to go. So let's just wait for a while. There we go, you see that's connected right now, and here it changes to the steady green, and I just need to give the camera name. Let's just type here Kasa Camera. There we go, Kasa Camera. Can give any name you want and just hit save. Here I select the location, office, I hit save, and then I'm gonna just skip those questions. You can set up the way you want, and here I see sounds good, and I'm gonna skip this one as well, and then I can come here to my camera. Let me just put the camera to a different position here, so see that's working, right? And then I just exit here, skip for now, and I come to my camera and you see that's working, right? Basically here I'm connecting to the camera already, and I can just hit sounds good, and sounds good again, and done. So now I can control my camera, you see, and it works pretty good. I'll just move my hand here, and you see that's working back there, okay? So that's the way you can reset a Kasa camera. This one is a Kasa Spot Pan and Tilt, and it works pretty fine, right? If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.